Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of the TTDEYE and Real Collaboration Summer Brown Colored Contact Lenses. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy.
Heart overhead, and I guess love to watch the way you made me into a mess. Hands on my dress, neon red. You were everything I didn't need until you left. Now I'm dancing around my living room. I get drunk on the thought of you and I, when you were mine. See your eyes in every stranger. I replay the way that we were till I'm high. No, it's not right.
So what did you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. What did you all think about these colored contact lenses? You know, I've been working with TTDEYE for a while now, and occasionally I review their colored contact lenses that they send me. Check out TTDEYE's website. They have sales going on, so I think you all will enjoy them. Check out all the different collections that they have and the different colored contact lenses. I'll put the website up on the screen right here, and I will put my coupon code also on the screen right here and link it in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Now let's talk about these colored contact lenses in collaboration with Real Eye. I think these lenses might be the most natural brown lenses that I've ever seen, and I'm gonna tell you why. So if you see the natural light clips, I put them on and I almost couldn't tell that I had these lenses in. They blend so well with your own natural eyes, but they also create like a gradient effect from the pupil hole to the outer rim of the lenses. There also is a very slight limbal ring. It's not too prominent and it's not unnoticeable at the same time. I think the limbal ring perfectly blends well with these colored contact lenses. And just note that these colored contact lenses on their website, it says these are specifically made for light eyes. So if you have dark brown eyes, I'm not exactly sure how these lenses will look on you. But if you have light brown eyes or maybe medium brown eyes or chocolate brown eyes, I'm pretty sure these lenses will give you the depth and enhance your eyes and make them very, very beautiful. I've been looking for the most natural brown lenses or light brown lenses, and I think these might be it. This collection, I also have a few other colors. So if you want to see the rest of the lenses from this collection in particular, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I will show you all what the rest of the lenses from this collection look like, or this collaboration look like. But I was super interested to see how this pair in particular looked, and I absolutely love these lenses. They are the perfect brown and chocolate brown mixed. They are two-tone lenses, and I think they look fantastic, especially in natural light. The sun came out today, so I was super excited to show how they looked in natural light. I think they look so natural. They blend so well. They don't stand out too much, but I believe that they give enough depth to the eye. So I think they look really, really natural. I also think they look really, really pretty in all lighting. With room lighting, they look even more undetectable, very, very natural. With artificial lighting, you see more of the brown, I feel like, and the chocolate color, and it blends so well with your eyes. So if you are looking for a very, very natural and subtle brown colored contact lens, I think these lenses might be the lenses for you. They are so nice and natural. I put them on and I was like, wow, these look so pretty. And I don't really review more subtle brown colored contact lenses, so I think that was nice. Like, I think it was a nice mixture, so I could mix it up a bit with my colored contact lens reviews and not only review like greens and you know, the hazel colored. I think browns are really, really pretty and they add a nice color and depth to the eyes. So don't forget about brown eyes or brown colored contact lenses. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think about these lenses? Are you interested in them? Do you like brown colored contact lenses, or are you more into the hazel green? Are you more into those lenses? I feel like I pretty much know which lenses you guys like. You guys pretty much like the lenses that maybe I don't really like so much, and I like the ones that you guys don't really like so much. But definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I love that we're able to talk about different lenses that we like and why we like them. I think that's the part of my channel that I love the most, how we can have a nice conversation about lenses that we like. So definitely let me know your thoughts. Also about these lenses are yearly lenses and they are about $23. Check out TTDEYE's website down below. Also, I put information about the lenses, more information in terms of specs and all of that good stuff in the description box down below. So make sure you check that out as well if you're interested in these lenses. All right, that is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me and my brand, then definitely hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I give a video additionally throughout the week as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye, guys.